We're giving away one of the rails for free. Oh, we have an exciting video today. I want to make some rails. And the really exciting part about it is I'm going to give a rail away. So stay tuned, I'll explain it later in the video. Now, if you remembered earlier, I had these rails under here. You pull them all out and put them in the ground. Well, I'm gonna take those same rails and we're gonna cut them down, put feet on them. So we could sell some of them and give one away. The problem is I kind of buried them under there again. So I'm gonna have to dig them all out. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, what a pain in the butt. Oh man. Okay, so I got 3 that are good. This one, look at this. That's bent. So that one, I don't know about that one. These 3, with those 3 we can make 6 rails. 6 7-foot rails. With that one, that looks like it might be like 4 feet. So I might be able to do something with that. Maybe I could cut that up and make one 8-footer. And then those pieces over here, we could use those for the feet, I think. Now, I'm not an excellent fabricator. I'm definitely not a fabricator. I'm hardly even a welder. But we are going to be going to Fabwell. My buddy Phil used to be a pro rider for Kink BMX. He owns a fabrication shop. He taught me how to weld. He's a maniac. He's my hero. We're gonna load up these, bring them over to the shop, and we'll ask Phil what he thinks we should do about them. I always say I'm too pretty for physical labor, but I'm gonna get these things in the truck, so let's load up. All right, got all the rails by the door. See how to take this crap out of my truck. All right, loaded up. Okay, we're loaded up. We're gonna head out. I got the GoPro set up here and try to shoot a time lapse. I'm only on 23% battery. The batteries on these GoPros are horrible. There you go. Do not vlog and drive. I am a professional. We're gonna go to the shop. We're gonna see what Phil thinks we should do. Then we're gonna do it. That's the plan. Genius, huh? And also, if you can see this mark on my face, that's because I got hit square in the nose with a disc, a Frisbee disc yesterday. And many of you may know that I totally had that coming to me. So glad I got that out of the way. Oh yeah, baby, here we are. Oh shit, I wasn't recording. We gotta do that again. Yo, I love this song. Okay, so this is the rail. Boom. The plan is to cut it here and here. So then I have this. Then I'll take one of the shorter rails and just make, boom, feet like that. Do you think that'll work? This is my song! Wait, do I have to leave? 10 and a half, 11 and a half, 14. Okay, I stepped outside because it's just loud inside the shop. So we've cut up all the rails, all the legs, well, most of them. I'm only gonna do 5 right now, 3 7-footers, 2 of the shorter ones. The next step is to prep it. You can't weld anything that's got any contamination on it. It's gonna make a crappy weld. There's always this reciprocity, I think is what they call it. I don't know. So basically, I have it marked on here, this black line in the center. That's where the upright's gonna be welded. So I have to take the grinder, take all the paint, the rust, all the material off of this. Similarly, on the other rail, I do the same thing on the edge, on the bottom, and then I have to grind a little bit of a, would it be a chamfer? I don't know what the word, I gotta bevel it or whatever. Gotta make it so there's a little bit of a curve in there so then it'll line up. So basically, we're gonna prep it all, and then we'll get to welding. So we'll jump back in a little bit. Well, finish the grinding. That's the hard part.
Very nice.
We didn't really center it, but I don't think it really matters. I get centered enough.
Yeah, well centered enough. Sound a lot better. Yeah.
These welds are not pretty. It's only like the 3rd time I've ever used a MIG welder, so like it's gonna be what it's gonna be. So whoopsies. Here they are. Yeah, not the greatest welds, but they're done. Gonna try to get rid of these things. The long ones are 7 foot tall, 11 inches, 13 inches, and 15 inches. They're all 7 feet long. The shorter guys down here, these are 10.5 inches, 4 feet long. These are little baby scooter kid rails. Those are legit rails. So my hands are filthy. I'm sure my face is filthy. It's men's work, you know. So we're gonna do a contest to get rid of one of these rails. We're giving away one of the rails for free. So in order to win one of these rails for free, you have to follow Breaking Free Skate Park on Instagram, subscribe to Breaking Free Skate Park on YouTube, and share this video in an Instagram post or an Instagram story. And then you will be submitted in the contest, and I'm going to randomly pick a winner to get the rail. Yeah, so do that. And thanks for watching. Thanks, Phil. Air 5.